Alright, well, got a new student, and we're at Freehold, New Jersey. He's going to back into door 15, which is going to be right there. He's got a pretty wide opening right there. So what he's going to do is, I told him to take and go around the pole here, and then get close to these trailers, and then we'll slide the tandem when we get close to here. So, sorry about the it's a little windy out here. Today's his first day in the truck. It's day one. So he's going to go to 15. I didn't tell him to turn his four-ways on, so that's my bad. So we go up here and see if he needs any assistance, and then go from there. Looks like he's turning the wheel like he needs to, and we need to go to 15, which would be 1.5 right there. And let's see, we got here. So got a spotter. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. So we'll see. Pull forward just a little bit. You can pull forward a little bit out your way, and you come back this way, and then you're going back in that big hole back there and go from there. There you go. Come back this way. What door are you going to? 17? Yes. Okay. He's going to go to 17 past you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead and turn your four-ways on. It's that red light up there on the top. You got those on? Now, what you can do here is you can go in between the docks and then straighten up and go through if you want. Or you can take and try to get it over to the 15. Just make sure you don't hit anything on the passenger side. All right? So turn the wheel to the passenger side. There you go. Good job, good job. Straighten out the wheel a little bit. There you go. Keep on going. Chase it back around a little bit. There you go. You're going into door 14 right this second. Alright, right there now, start cutting back. Cut into it. Alright, there you go, there you go. Let me go back here and check. Slow down just a little bit. Keep on going. You're good. He's good. He's got to go to that line right there. Stop, stop, stop. Pull forward a little bit. He's a little close right there. I'm gonna slide his tandem. Set your trailer brakes. push it back, and then pull forward. You got it, you were doing fine with the tires, but the back end of the trailer is too far back that you were about 4 feet from that trailer there. So push it back just a little bit to unlock the pins. All right, now pull forward. Slowly. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Door opened up on him. Keep on going. Gotta fix that door. We'll lock these quick. And then we'll lock this door in. There we go. Alright, come on back. Release the trailer brakes. Yeah, come back up. Release your trailer brakes. Okay.
Proceed to the route.
So he's got to go back to this line. What he's doing, he's going to this line right there. He's backing on up. There's a truck behind, or just pulled in over here. Hey, there's a guy next to you, so be careful. That guy dropped his trailer and hooked up to the trailer next to you, so be very careful. Go as far to the right you can. Alright, now you can just back on up. He's already moved. That's good. And he's going to get it lined up to the line right there. And he's doing good. Give him that. We gotta get him to come over just a little bit with it. Yeah, he's way off. He's gotta get it over about 1.5 feet. Okay, to fix this, what you need to do is hard to the left, and back to the right just a little bit, and back to the right. So come hard this way. This way, forward. Keep going. Now come back this way. See how that brought it to the line? There you go. Now you want to turn the wheel to the passenger side and back up, so you'll bring the nose of the truck or trailer that way. You're doing pretty good. To the passenger side. Now start chasing it back around. There you go. Now it's just a straight line back. You may need to get it over just a little bit to more driver's side. Driver's side. There you go. Now chase it. Here. You're good. Got it. Feather in the back. It's not completely straight, but still in there. Looks like you're about 1.5 feet. If you hit, there you go. Now pull the brakes.